if you want to play TMODLOADER, but it's for like, but there's no 1.4 version out, and you're using a family shared account, or you're using GOG Galaxy, or some other, you're not getting it off Steam, so like pirated version, which how dare you? Um, and you want to find out how to get it manually. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your you're gonna go to your desktop. You're gonna create a new file, and then name it whatever. Then what you're gonna do is download the TMODLOADER manually, or actually wait, no, wrong thing. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your files. You're gonna go to your drive. Go to Steam. Oh, go to Steam. Hang on. So you're gonna go to Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then there'll be some apps. Except I have it on here, and it's just quicker, like this. Steam Apps, Common. Then Terraria. You wanna go to Terraria, and you wanna copy this, and then paste it into that file you made. And then when it's done pasting, what you're gonna do is take the files of the TMODLOADER, and normally how you install it, you just drop the files into your Terraria version. So you're gonna drop the TMODLOADER files into this version instead of the version you have in your apps things. And it's gonna be different if you're using GOG Galaxy or a pirated version. So it's done completing. Then we're gonna go to TMODLOADER. We're gonna, hang on, where's the download? So we're gonna download the TMODLOADER. We're gonna wait for it to download and unzip it with whatever website you have. Thing you have to unzip it. I'm using WinRAR. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the, wait, where is it? What happened? Uh oh. Crud. Okay. So you're gonna take the TMODLOADER files, and then, wait. And then so what you're gonna do is you're gonna drag the TMODLOADER files into here, and then when you oh wait, place the files in these destinations, and then when you want to play the modded version, what you do is you open up the folder and press the TMODLOADER. So that's how you manually install the TMODLOADER or manually install the TMODLOADER for Terraria. Oh, and yes, also try Minecraft. So yeah, that's how you download that. Okay, bye.